In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom survey in HubSpot. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you log in, all the way to customizing the questions and layout, so you can start collecting the exact feedback you need. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and find the service section. Hover over the service icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Feedback Surveys. This is where HubSpot keeps all of your survey tools and existing surveys. On the Feedback Surveys page, click on Create a Survey. When the new page loads, you'll see different survey types. On the left-hand side, select Custom Survey. This option gives you the most flexibility to design questions and layout to fit your specific use case. After selecting Custom Survey, go up to the top right of the screen and click Next. Now you'll choose how you want to deliver your survey. On the left panel, you'll see options like shareable link, email, web page, or workflow. A shareable link is great if you want to post the survey on social media, send it via chat, or embed it somewhere else. Email delivery is ideal if you already have a contact list in HubSpot. Web page surveys can appear directly on your site, and workflow delivery can automate when and to whom the survey is sent. For this example, choose shareable link, then click Next in the top right. Next, HubSpot will ask how you want to build your survey. You'll typically see a choice between the new survey editor and the original survey editor. For this walkthrough, select the original survey editor so you can see the classic layout and tools, then click Create Survey in the top right. Wait a moment for the editor to load. Once it's open, look at the left panel. Here you'll find all the question types, modules, and properties you can add. You can build your survey by dragging any of these elements from the left panel and dropping them onto the survey preview on the right side. This drag and drop approach makes it easy to quickly design the structure of your survey. On the right, you'll see a live preview of your survey. By default, it comes with some modules already added, such as a header, rich text, a question block, a contact property field, and a button. If you want to remove any of these, hover over the module and click the trash icon. If you like a particular block and want another just like it, click the duplicate icon instead. To rearrange the order of your modules, hover over a block until you see the handle area with dotted lines on the left. Click and drag that block up or down, and you'll see placement guides that show where you can drop it. This is useful for grouping related questions together or moving your introduction to the top. To customize any part of the survey, simply click on the module in the preview. When you do, its properties and settings will appear on the left panel. Here, you can edit the text, change the question type, adjust labels, and configure any related contact properties if needed. Take a moment to review each block so the wording matches your tone and the information you want to collect. Once you're happy with the layout and the content of your questions, your custom survey is ready to go. From here, you can move on to final settings and publishing within HubSpot and start sharing your survey using the delivery method you selected earlier.